Hi guys, now it's time to sing some of our favorite songs. And I realized last week I forgot to start with the welcome song. Oh my goodness, how could I forget? So we're going to start with that today. Ready? Hello friends, hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Let's do it again, ready? I'd like you to join me with a big smile. Hello, friends, hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Good job. Our next song is Two Little Blackbirds. So get them ready. Two little blackbirds sitting on the hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Good job. Now we're going to fly in the sky. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. Good job. Next is sitting in the grass. Two little blackbirds sitting in the grass. One named Slow and one named Fast. Fly away, Slow. Fly away fast. Come back, Slow. Come back fast. Nice. Last one, sitting on a cloud. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One named Soft and one named Loud. Fly away loud. Come back loud. Good job. I hope you didn't have a little brother or sister who was sleeping, because we don't want to wake up a baby from its nap, right? All right. The next one we're going to do is Wheels on the Bus. We haven't done this one in a while, so hopefully you don't forget it. Ready? It goes like this. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus goes where, 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 where. The baby on the bus goes where, 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 all through the town. The mama on the bus goes shh, 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 shh. The mama on the bus goes shh, 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 all through the town. Let's do the wheels again. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Good job. You guys did a great job with that one. And our next song is Open, Shut Them. We did this one last week, so hopefully you remember. Ready? Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them, right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. Good job. And you go like this. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this, this, this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. Mwah! Good job. Let's do that one again. just so we can keep practicing. Okay, ready? Oh, I need to get a drink of water because I'm getting thirsty. Okay, much better. Maybe you need to pause for a drink of water too. That's okay, you can get a drink. All right, our next song that we're going to do again is Open, Shut Them. Ready? Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this, this, this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. Mwah! Yay! Good job, guys. Thumbs up. Very nice. All right. Now we're going to do some shakers, but I don't have my shakers here at home. They're still at school. So I found some sprinkles like this, and when I shake them, it sounds like our eggs at school, like our shaker eggs. So you might want to find some sprinkles at your house. If you don't have sprinkles, you could use a salt shaker or a pepper shaker maybe, or anything that you have that will make it sound like this. So if you need to pause the video, you can hit pause and then you can go find it, and I'll wait for you, okay? All right, once you have your shaker, we're going to sing a couple songs with our shakers today, and then it will be time to say goodbye, okay? So our first one is If You're Happy and You Know It. It goes like this. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a shake. Nice. Now we're going to give a tap, gentle tap on our hand. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a tap. Nice. Now we're going to give a clap like this. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a clap. Now we're going to give a wave. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a wave. Nice. Good job on that one. All right, we have one more shaker song, and this one is a challenge because remember, when I say stop, we're going to all freeze with our eggs and try to make it completely silent. Okay, do you think you can do that? I bet you can. Here we go. Everyone can shake, shake, shake. Everyone can shake, shake, shake. Everyone can shake, shake, shake. And now let's make it stop. Good job. Awesome. Okay. Now we're going to tap. Ready? Everyone can tap, tap, tap. Everyone can tap, tap, tap. Everyone can tap, tap, tap. And now let's make it stop. Did you freeze? Good job. Everyone can clap, clap, clap. Everyone can clap, clap, clap. Everyone can clap, clap, clap. And now let's make it stop. Nice. Last one. Everyone can wave, wave, wave. Everyone can wave, wave, wave. Everyone can wave, wave, wave. And now let's make it stop. Excellent job, my friends. I'm so proud of you. You did an amazing job singing today. So, next week we have spring break, so I will not see you. And then the week after that, we also have spring break. So, after those 2 weeks, I'll get to see you again for library, and I'm so excited. It might be here on the computer, it might be at school, but either way, I'll be excited to see you. So, let's end with a goodbye song, and I can't remember if we've done this one at school. So if you know it, you can sing along, but if you don't know it, you can just listen with your ears. Okay, ready? Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you all next time. Thank you guys. Have a great day and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.